Now, the way I plan to go for this is to play my favorite songs. I just stay up with it.
That's a great idea.
Yeah. So if you have a request, you let us know. Otherwise, we're playing our favorite song. If you have a favorite song, tip the band. Right there's our tip jug. $20 goes to the top of the set list. I will stop my own favorite songs just to play yours. You tip the band and tell us what you want to hear. It's a really easy way to do it. Hey, Cora, you insulted me the other day.
I did.
When you said that man whoring song was my theme song.
One of them. The other one's like Rambling Man.
She said the other day, she goes, "This is like your theme song." I was like, "Do you know what this song's about?"
Well, maybe theme song was the wrong word for it. I just meant that it's a fitting song for you.
Okay, well, here's some T.G. Shepherd. I've known some painted ladies that sparkle in the night. Some I never really knew, though I always wanted to. Some only met once in a room. Some say they like my smile, others of them stayed a while, others left me on the run. This is the only way, only way I have to say, oh, I love them everyone. They little short or tall, I wish I could get them all. I love them everyone. Like a beacon for the sun, over me standing on, and I hope they have fun. Here's